No Demarai Gray versus the United States. The semifinals, Jamaica is going to miss one of their best players. As you know, I believe that Demarai Gray is one of those Jamaican players who tend to score those half chances. Leon Bailey hasn't been scoring those goals. He's another cutting edge player. No, can Jamaica still get past this United States team? I will let you know that in this video. But before we go there, people, hit the subscribe button on this video. Remember to like the video as it helps with the visibility of the video. Demarai Gray has had a very good record since he came into this Jamaican team. And now going to the semifinals, Jamaica would really need this player as he's one of our best players. We saw when he came into that Canada game, he slowed the game down, hold up the player on the left-hand side and cut into the middle of the field, giving Jamaica some kind of confidence, letting them know that we can move the ball forward. We just have to be a bit patient. No, he picked up 2 yellow cards in one game. On the first yellow, he went down injured, and the stretcher was supposed to come on the field, and the referee wasn't really having that. After he got sent off with that yellow to basically get some treatment on the sideline, he came back on the field without the referee's approval. And the FIFA rule states that the referee is the one who has to call you back on the field. So I think Demarai Gray missed a trick on that one, trying to do his own game management. I think that's a bit of, he lacked the discipline it needed there to finish off the game. And now Jamaica will have to play without one of their best players. However, can Jamaica still make it without Demarai Gray? I think he's too much of a big player, very important player. We saw how Jamaica looked against Canada in the first leg without Demarai Gray. So I think if Jamaica doesn't bring in another winger like Ronaldo Cephas, I think Jamaica will struggle against this United States, as we're not getting the goals from Leon Bailey. Big loss for the Reggae Boyz not having Demarai Gray versus the United States, and it's gonna be a very difficult game. Let me know what you guys think. Missing Demarai Gray, can Jamaica still get past the United States? And who would you bring in as his replacement, as he's one of the better players that Jamaica has? Drop your thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you think, guys. Thank you. I'm your host, JT. Until next time.